Hey, it's math time. You ready to add and subtract? There are a whole lot of numbers. We're getting smarter with every math fact. Hey, it's nice to see you. Welcome back to math. Well, yesterday we made a graph when we graphed the colors of Skittles that came in a package. Today I want to talk to you a little bit more about graphs. And first I want to show you some other graphs that you might see when you're doing math. Here's a graph. It's called a pictograph. It uses little pictures to represent the data that's being shown. There's another kind of graph called a line graph, and a line graph uses lines to represent the data, so you can see if numbers are going up or down depending on which way the line goes. Another kind of graph is kind of a fun one. It's called a pie graph. Can you tell why they call it a pie graph? That's right, the data is represented by little slices that look just like the pieces in a pie. Well, today we're going to be talking about the bar graph, like the one we made yesterday. And yesterday we made a bar graph like this one, where the lines went vertically up and down. But there's another type of bar graph that you need to be aware of. It's a bar graph that's just turned on its side. It goes horizontally like this. It still has all the same parts as the other kind of bar graph. It still has a title, it still has categories and a scale. It's just horizontal, not vertical. This horizontal bar graph is talking about the favorite snacks of children in a classroom. And you know that because of the title. It says favorite snacks. I'd like you to please take a look at the scale. The scale is at the bottom this time instead of along the side. And the scale on this graph counts by twos. So each section of the graph is actually two kids that have voted for that kind of snack. So if you're looking at this and you're trying to read it, you can see that the trail mix bar is dark blue and that the trail mix bar votes go all the way up to the 4 line, which means that 4 kids voted for trail mix as their favorite. Now it gets a little bit harder to read a scale that doesn't count by ones when the line doesn't land exactly right on a number. So take a look at the fruit category here. You can see in the fruit category that the line ends in between the 8 and the 10. What do you think that means? Good. It means that there were 9 kids that voted for fruit because 9 comes right in the middle of 8 and 10. So that's how you would read a bar graph that counts by twos. On this horizontal bar graph, you can pretty easily tell, just like with the horizontal bar graphs, which item got the least votes. In this case, it's crackers, and which item got the most votes. On this graph, it is fruit. And you can still answer questions about the graph, just like we did with the vertical graph. We could say things like, how many more votes did trail mix get than crackers? Well, crackers got 2 votes, and trail mix got 4 votes. So you do the math. How many more did trail mix get? 2, correct. Good job. Okay, now it's your turn. Click on the Activities tab and make a horizontal bar graph for me. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.